I should eat healthy food.
I should eat healthy food.
I should drink more water.
I should drink more water.
I should go to bed early.
I should go to bed early.
I should brush my teeth twice a day.
I should brush my teeth twice a day.
I should help my parents.
I should help my parents.
I should study every day.
I should study every day.
I should be kind to others.
I should be kind to others.
I should clean my room.
I should clean my room.
I should listen to my teacher.
I should listen to my teacher.
I should do my homework.
I should do my homework.
I should be on time.
I should be on time.
I should say thank you.
I should say thank you.
I should say sorry when I'm wrong.
I should say sorry when I'm wrong.
I should read more books.
I should read more books.
I should exercise daily.
I should exercise daily.
I should eat breakfast.
I should eat breakfast.
I should take a bath every day.
I should take a bath every day.
I should learn new things.
I should learn new things.
I should be polite.
I should be polite.
I should follow the rules.
I should follow the rules.
I should take care of my things.
I should take care of my things.
I should respect my elders.
I should respect my elders.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should not fight with others.
I should not fight with others.
I should eat fruits every day.
I should eat fruits every day.
I should learn from my mistakes.
I should learn from my mistakes.
I should take turns.
I should take turns.
I should save money.
I should save money.
I should recycle.
I should recycle.
I should take rest when I'm tired.
I should take rest when I'm tired.
I should plant trees.
I should plant trees.
I should take care of pets.
I should take care of pets.
I should not waste water.
I should not waste water.
I should turn off the lights.
I should turn off the lights.
I should use polite words.
I should use polite words.
I should smile more.
I should smile more.
I should never give up.
I should never give up.
I should be honest.
I should be honest.
I should be brave.
I should be brave.
I should finish my food.
I should finish my food.
I should be thankful.
I should be thankful.
I should wear a helmet when I ride.
I should wear a helmet when I ride.
I should be patient.
I should be patient.
I should follow directions.
I should follow directions.
I should keep learning.
I should keep learning.
I should do my best.
I should do my best.
I should be fair.
I should be fair.
I should laugh and be happy.
I should laugh and be happy.
I should clean up after eating.
I should clean up after eating.
I should wear shoes outside.
I should wear shoes outside.
I should avoid junk food.
I should avoid junk food.
I should not lie.
I should not lie.
I should wash my hands.
I should wash my hands.
I should try new things.
I should try new things.
I should learn English.
I should learn English.
I should protect animals.
I should protect animals.
I should listen to my mom.
I should listen to my mom.
I should never waste foods.
I should never waste foods.
I should protect the environment.
I should protect the environment.
I should forgive others.
I should forgive others.
I should be a good friend.
I should be a good friend.
I should trust myself.
I should trust myself.
I should be careful.
I should be careful.
I should learn how to cook.
I should learn how to cook.
I should walk instead of using a car.
I should walk instead of using a car.
I should stretch in the morning.
I should stretch in the morning.
I should dress properly.
I should dress properly.
I should keep my promise.
I should keep my promise.
I should protect my family.
I should protect my family.
I should try again if I fail.
I should try again if I fail.
I should say please.
I should say please.
I should tell the truth.
I should tell the truth.
I should control my anger.
I should control my anger.
I should not be lazy.
I should not be lazy.
I should work hard.
I should work hard.
I should be respectful.
I should be respectful.
I should avoid bad habits.
I should avoid bad habits.
I should learn from others.
I should learn from others.
I should eat on time.
I should eat on time.
I should clean my shoes.
I should clean my shoes.
I should feed the birds.
I should feed the birds.
I should water the plants.
I should water the plants.
I should say goodbye politely.
I should say goodbye politely.
I should wear warm clothes in winter.
I should wear warm clothes in winter.
I should cover my mouth when I cough.
I should cover my mouth when I cough.
I should protect my books.
I should protect my books.
I should thank my teacher.
I should thank my teacher.
I should sit properly.
I should sit properly.
I should not shout indoors.
I should not shout indoors.
I should write neatly.
I should write neatly.
I should love my family.
I should love my family.
I should believe in myself.
I should believe in myself.
I should protect my friends.
I should protect my friends.
I should not interrupt.
I should not interrupt.
I should be helpful.
I should be helpful.
I should not be rude.
I should not be rude.
I should play safely.
I should play safely.
I should always do the right things.
I should always do the right things.
I should love my father.
I should love my father.